Hello, everyone. I'm Lisa, and I will be explaining assignment 2 for English 104 in this. As I've stated before, please be sure to have your complete name, date of birth, last four digits of your social security number, your email address, the course name, and the assignment name on the first page of every assignment, as it makes it very helpful for us for organization and getting the assignments back to you quickly. Also, please make sure that you have a page number on the bottom of every page. Again, organization. For assignment 2, you are choosing a play and you're going to be discussing the overriding theme or themes. Remember, the theme is your thesis statement at the introduction paragraph. This is a 500-word count essay. Please make sure that you do meet that requirement. You will actually need to meet that requirement simply by making sure that you explain the characters and the themes in the play. All right, so we have suggested plays of All My Sons, Enemy of the People, and 12 Angry Men. These three plays work very well for this assignment. After you have read your play and you have thought about the theme or themes, you're going to start maybe take notes before you write your essay. And you want to discuss the thematic traits. Maybe you want to discuss are there different themes or is there one or two? Discuss the characters for sure. What is the story? Where is it taking place? Think about the time era. Is it radical? Is it historical? Is it informative? Is it cultural? Is it political? What is it? What is the story? What's it about? When does it take place? Examine the characters. Are they the same? Do they all follow the same path? Do they behave the same way, or is somebody acting differently? And are there any underlying issues? Plays always seem to have underlying issues. The thematic analysis is basically a literature critique. So, what you are doing is the literature critique is that you are determining the frequency of the theme. How many times does that theme appear in the play? How often are you listening to it and seeing it? You want to make sure that you have read the play a couple of times so that you are very familiar with the information because you are collecting all that data. You want to be very familiar with the story, with the characters, how they behave, any underlying themes. Please try to avoid using certain words that might be vague. Okay, you want to use, the thesis. You are going to list the points that you are making and the conclusion that will be at the end of the introduction paragraph. You don't want to use phrases like the author explains, discusses. That's not, you could say Edgar Allan Poe wrote. You want to use powerful words. Okay, don't use things such as interesting, important, and effective. That doesn't explain it. You want to make sure that you are very clear with the wording that you use. Please don't ever begin your thesis statement with the purpose of this essay is or this essay will explain. No, that's not proper way of writing a thesis statement. Please make sure you review how to do that. You learned how to in English 101. And you want to make sure that you always use in-text citations. For any quotes, quotes are fine. They are very good to help support your points that you are making in your writing, but you must make sure quotes have quotation marks around them. You have in-text citations for quotes and any information that is not your original idea. And you will always supply references on the works cited page, which is the end of the essay. Also, please make sure you use spell check. Okay, the Word document offers it. It's great. If you see any words underlined in red, that means you need to look at them and check to see if it's spelled wrong. Maybe it needs a comma. Maybe the tense is wrong. Okay, have fun with this assignment. I'm looking forward to reading them.